We are super excited to walk you through Kittl Video, where you can take any static image and create an animation, a video mockup, or cinematic scene for your product or brand. In this video, we'll cover setting up your video flow, showing you the two main ways to generate AI video in Kittl. You can start with any design, mockups, or image as a starting frame for your video. For example, if you want to make a simple text animation, you can select your design, open up the Video Gen panel, and prompt in what you would like to happen. To keep it simple, we'll have the panther illustration run in place for this poster. You can also select an end frame for your video. In this example, let's use Kittl's Remix feature to remove the model from the image. Then we'll select both images, make sure the one without the model is in the first position, and then we can prompt how we'd like the subject to enter the frame and adjust the bottom of the shirt like a real person would. The second way to create video is through Kittl Flows, where you can connect artboards, smartboards, and mockups together to create a video. In this project, you can see how we've gone from a label design to a coffee package to a video, all by connecting nodes together with Kittl Flows. To create a connection to your design or image, you can click on the arrow next to the board and select the option you want to create. In this case, we'll choose AI Video. You can see in the prompt box that your selection has become the first frame. To attach your second frame, choose your desired image and then click and drag the arrow into the Video Gen board. You'll see the other frame box appear, and you can type in your desired prompt. When generating a video, you can select your video model, aspect ratio, length of time, and whether or not you want sound in the video, which will depend on what model you choose. Some models can generate up to 12 seconds of video, and some models can create additional aspect ratios, so be sure to think through which model is best for your use case. If you need additional help with prompting, we have presets you can choose from to help you create a particular effect, and we have many templates for you to learn from and copy existing prompts to use as your own. We're working to release even more video models and features soon, so make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss important updates and tutorials. And if you have any questions about Kittl Video, be sure to drop them down in the comments so we can take a look. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.